Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss physics, Kcse 2018, paper 2. Figure 2 shows the image of an object O placed on the principal axis of a convex mirror. Therefore, we have a convex mirror and an image already formed. The image can be seen is behind the mirror and its virtue. Then we have the principal focus, and we have the center of curvature as indicated. This is the figure 2. We are told on the figure, draw a ray diagram to locate the object. Therefore, we don't know where the object was, but we got our image already formed. Therefore, we're going to use ray diagrams to locate where the object was. Now, what to do here? We're going to use the reverse of rays. We're going to say that there is a ray which was aiming to pass through the center of curvature. And as we know, for a ray to go through the center of curvature, it must have come through the same path. Therefore, what we're going to say is that this ray, something else to be remembered is that behind the mirror, rays are supposed to be incomplete. Therefore, for this figure, it means there is a ray which had come as though it is aiming the center of curvature, and as we know, this ray gets reflected through the same path. So the ray goes back through the same path. Again, if we take a ray which had come through F, or which got reflected through F, let me enlarge my diagram here. Yeah, it's just a straight line to represent the mirror. Therefore, if there is a ray which gets reflected through F, if there is a ray which gets reflected through F, it means such a ray had come close and parallel to the principal axis. Close and parallel to the principal axis. So I'm just using the reversibility of light to come up with the solution to this question. So a ray should come close and parallel to the principal axis. That way, the ray will get reflected through the principal axis, through the principal focus, through the principal focus of the mirror. So now it means that the intersection of these original rays now will give us the tip of the object. So this is where the object was. This is where the object was exactly at that point, object O, because a ray close and parallel to principal axis should get reflected through the principal focus. A ray which is aiming the center of curvature should get reflected away through the same path. So that is how we can use the reversal of rays to come up with the object whose image is already given. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.